Welcome back to Crypto 101, your comprehensive guide to learning everything about crypto from start to finish. Now, have you ever wondered how to make your digital assets work for you? Today, we're diving into 3 top DeFi yield strategies: staking, lending, and liquidity provisions. These methods can generate passive yield and help you maximize your crypto holdings. So let's get started. SummerFi, the best place to borrow and earn in DeFi. More on them later. First up is staking. Think of staking as locking up your crypto to support a blockchain network's operations. In return, you earn rewards. For example, staking ETH on the Ethereum blockchain means you're helping to secure the Ethereum network, and in return, you earn more ETH. ETH stakers earn approximately 3 to 4% annually. The great thing about staking is that it's relatively low risk and it doesn't require much active management. Plus, liquid staking platforms like EtherFi, Lido, and Rocket Pool allow you to stake smaller amounts of ETH with ease. Next up, we have lending. In DeFi, lending involves depositing your crypto assets into a platform where others can borrow it. In exchange, you earn interest. Platforms like Aave, Compound, Morpho, and Fluid by Instadap are popular choices. The APY on these platforms can vary, but you could see rates from 2% to 20% or more, depending on the crypto asset and market conditions. Lending is a great way to earn passive yield without selling your assets. However, it's essential to be aware of the risks, such as smart contract exploits. Always do your research on the platform's security before depositing your funds. Finally, let's talk about providing liquidity to automated market makers, or AMMs, like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Curve, Velodrome, or Orca. Here's how it works. You deposit a pair of tokens into a liquidity pool, and in return, you earn a share of the trading fees generated by that pool. Liquidity provisions can be lucrative, with some pools offering annual yields upwards of 100%. However, it comes with the risk of impermanent loss, a potential loss incurred when the value of your deposited assets changes relative to each other. One final tip for getting started with DeFi yield strategies is to find an all-in-one hub to discover curated opportunities across staking, lending, and liquidity provisions, such as SummerFi, who also made this video possible. SummerFi makes DeFi accessible to all. How? A curated experience for DeFi's highest quality protocols, so you never have to second-guess security. Easiest way to manage your exposure in one click, so you can make the most of every market condition. Risk management on autopilot with DeFi's most advanced and trusted automations, so you can relax. Go to SummerFi and start enjoying your DeFi experience. SummerFi offers passive earn strategies where you can sit back and watch your assets compound without lifting a finger. For example, you can stack ETH with yield loops, which amplify your staking yield while managing your position seamlessly on SummerFi. So, whether you're staking, lending, or providing liquidity, DeFi offers various ways to generate passive yield from your crypto holdings. Remember, each strategy comes with its own set of risks and rewards, so it's crucial to do thorough research and choose what best fits your risk tolerance and investment goals. And remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research, stay informed, and subscribe for more insights from Crypto 101. Until next time, stay defiant.